Do you want to start a nail business but you don't know where to start? I'm Sarah Naylor and I teach bored broke teenagers how to start their very own beauty business. The very first thing you need to do is get qualified as a nail tech. The second thing you need to do is get your insurance. The third thing you need to do is register a business name with the CRO, which is the Company Registrations Office of Ireland, and set up a domain name as well. Fourth thing you need to do is create a logo. You can do it in Canva or you can go to Fiverr and get somebody to create it for you. Now it's time to start setting up your social media pages. Make sure you optimize your profile so the people know what you do, where you do it, how much you charge, and how they can book you. Now you need to set up a booking system. My students use Goldie. It's a free appointment booking app where you can communicate with your customers, tell them where to come, much to pay, how you want to be paid, all those kind of things. So Goldie in the App Store, download it today. If you want a part 2, comment 2 below. Don't forget to tag your beauty business besties and follow for more inspiration on how to set up your beauty businesses. I'm Sarah Naylor and I'm going to help you nail it in the hair and beauty business.